So very good morning, students. Before we are going to continue with the chapter of history, first we are going to discuss the worksheet that I have already given you on the chapter environment. So be ready with your notebooks. So make changes or make corrections side by side. So let us start with the worksheet first. Okay, the first question is, what do you mean by the natural environment? As this is a source based question, आपको ऊपर source भी provide किया गया था, तो आपने उसके basis पे answers करने थे. So let me unmute one of you, Ritika.
The natural environment refers to the non-human made surroundings and conditions in which all living and non-living things exist on the earth.
Yes, and our natural environment comprises of land, water, air, animals, plants, human beings. तो क्योंकि जब नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट की बात करते हैं इसमें नॉन ह्यूमन मेड है, इसमें लिविंग बींग्स भी हैं, नॉन लिविंग बींग्स भी हैं. तो नॉन लिविंग में हम किसको ले रहे हैं? एयर, वाटर एंड लैंड को. और लिविंग बींग्स में किसको ले रहे हैं? प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स को. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज एन इकोसिस्टम? तनवीर सिंह बिनिंग.
The relation between the organism and their surrounding forms an ecosystem.
Okay, very good. And you can write the same definition that is already mentioned in your book. The domain of water is referred to. Berlin.
Hydrosphere.
Okay, very good. Give two examples of human-made environment. Akshara.
Roads, buildings, etc.
Roads, building, etc. आपका आंसर वेरी कर सकता है, ठीक है. Now the next question, Sehajveer, which are the major components of the environment? Major components of the environment. Okay, Aravir. Aravir, give me the answer. Which are the major components of the environment?
Atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, and hydrosphere.
Major components, beta. I am asking components of the. Okay, let me ask someone else. Jayaditya. Mridul.
Ma'am, natural components, human-made components, and human.
Very good. So जो हमारा environment है उसके major components क्या हैं? Natural components, human made components and the जो है हमारा human environment. Natural environment, human made environment and human environment. Very good. So now I am going to discuss the definitions. जो terms दी थी आपको. So the first term is biotic. Biotic. Ranjita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ranjita बोलिए biotic.
Ma'am, biotic components consist of living organisms, example plants, animals, etc.
Okay. Now साहिब जोत abiotic बताइए. साहिब जोत abiotic.
The world of non-living elements. Example land.
लैंड. अगर हम बात करें जो बायोटिक और एबायोटिक है ये दोनों ही नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर आते हैं. सो जो एबायोटिक है द वर्ड ऑफ नॉन लिविंग एलिमेंट, इसमें लैंड, वाटर, एयर ये सब आता है, ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टर्म इज लिथोस्फियर. लिथोस्फियर. भव्या. भव्या.
Ma'am, the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. Second, it is made up of rocks and minerals and covered it by a thin layer of soil.
हाँ जी सहजवीर, गिव द डेफिनेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोस्फियर. Sahajveer. Fine. Hydrosphere. Okay, some problem from his part. Aditya Vishish. Aditya Vishish. Hydrosphere.
Domain of water is known as hydrosphere.
Domain, and in this sphere water find in all the three forms. ठीक है, तीनों forms में water मिलता है, in vapor, in liquid and in solid form. Okay. Okay, Sahajveer, if you can unmute yourself. Next define of atmosphere.
The atmosphere is the thin layer of air around the earth. It has ozone layer which protects us from the harmful rays of the sun.
Okay, very good. Prisha, just give the define of
Number
biosphere.
of gases that
Biosphere. Prisha. Anshita, biosphere.
Plant and animal kingdom
Anshita,
together make up the earth where land, water,
your voice is not audible.
may I speak? Plant and
Ansh. Ansh. Okay, Suhani.
It is a narrow zone where land water meets. It is an animal and a plant kingdom.
It is divided into animal and plant kingdom, and it is a zone where life exists. जहाँ पे life exist करती है. Now the next one
Yes.
is barter system. Barter system, Trisha.
Ma'am, it is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money.
Okay, very good. So in this way, now we have completed the discussion. Now you can check your answers. You can solve it. Okay.